Alright, welcome to another edition of Redesign StarCrafter. Today I'm going to be talking about the tools I'm going to use to redesign StarCrafter. And let's just start by looking at what I got over here. So I got Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop. These are my graphic tools. I also have Fireworks and the rest of the Adobe suites too, but these are the ones that I just opened up quick. Dreamweaver, FireZilla, hardly use that, just to transfer huge files in the background. Mysql Workbench for dealing with the Mysql database, organizing it, looking at it, sorting, doing reports, and pulling data out. And of course, Nusphere PhpEd edition, which is just my PHP programming IDE. So those are the primary tools that I use to create websites. Let me show you. Of course, here are the three browsers that I test in most frequently, and of course, right before I put the site live, I'll test it on Safari and Opera and a couple of other browsers, and I might even use an app to capture some pictures of what it looks like on various different mobile devices. But those are the ones I test on, and then the reason why I test on Firefox mostly is because if you see here, it's got this cool little Firebug plugin. If you click on, this is my Tumblr page, if you click on this, you can kind of see what's going on, and you can make some changes to it, so you can kind of really play around with it and monkey with it. And obviously this isn't my site, but I'm not actually changing the code on the server. I'm just changing how the browser interprets it, or doesn't interpret it, ignores it, or whatever. And so it's pretty cool. Very helpful. It used to be when we were developing websites like this, we would view the page source, and it wouldn't pop up with this cool little syntax highlighted thing. It would pop up with Notepad, and we would have to scroll down. I mean, they tried to make this as much like Notepad as possible. You have to scroll down, but this you can actually click links and stuff on. We didn't have anything like that. So, all right, that's it. Those are the tools I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with some of the design elements. I'm going to start with some of the design choices, and then I'll get into programming. And I'll probably make a little bit of progress on it this weekend if I get a chance. And I'll have something to report on Monday or Tuesday, just so you guys can take a look and see how things are coming. Thanks.